Hey there, this video is all about the webinar sign up page, which is really important because it's what people see before they sign up to your webinar. So it needs to grab their attention and it needs to compel them to actually give their email and sign up. So it's important that you have an intro video so that people can relate and trust you. Visual has a big impact on trust, so the more you're out there with your videos, the better your conversions will be. Tell them why they need to be on board. And that means mentioning the big features of your webinars and the benefits that they'll get for joining. Make sure that you mention the time and date of the webinar several times so that people can actually remember it or write it in their calendars, and have clear call to actions that compels them to click and register to the webinar, and mention that the webinar is free and special. It's really important. So here, let's take a look at mine. So I'm going to bring it right up here. You can see it here. That's just a photo of myself, SEO expert, serial entrepreneur, awesome coach. Measure announcement, Radu presents, and then you have the date and time. Live $5,000 plus webinar, free exclusive bonus for Shop Express and my customers only. A video of yourself talking about the webinar, the benefits. Big green call to action here. Again, the date and time, the top 3 reasons to attend this webinar. The best part is you can start implementing the techniques in as little as 24 hours. Why is this special? Because I've generated $1 million in 2016 and I will show you how to do the same. Absolutely no previous success or experience required. The webinar starts on October 4th at 2 p.m. Eastern. So again, the time you can see I have it 3 times in total. Again, a big call to action, register to the webinar now, and a much more scarcity packed call to action that gets them to actually sign up. Sign up now for free, so it's free, but you need to confirm your spot on the webinar now to ensure that you don't miss out, because we will be jam-packed and the replay will only be available to those who sign up. So it's really important you do that. And here you link to the webinar that you've set up with GoToWebinar or whatever by following the training in the previous video. So if they click on here, this link right here is the webinar, GoToWebinar link. Now obviously this has a link to a webinar on October 4th, so this has ended, but normally here would be an opt-in form for them to sign up to the webinar. So again, make sure you have a video, make sure you mention the date and time several times, have clear call to actions, and show when the webinar is several times, the 3 reasons to attend, why they need to do it, why it's special, and that they need no previous experience or success to do it, and that it's free and that they need to do it now. So that pretty much sums it up to the page. I have created this within 2 to 3 minutes using Optimize Press. You can see it here, Optimize Press. I highly recommend it, but any page builder out there will get the same result. So most of you probably have a page builder. Just use that or some WordPress theme to get this page created. As you can see, it's not very complex, but it looks good and it gets the job done.